But I just wanted to go ahead and make a quick video just to get us started for this month. So welcome to the Team Cup. I believe we get 1 point for every challenger that we sign up, and 2 points for every coach. And the challenger has to be with the challenge pack. So this is different than Success Club points. This is just for the Team Cup. And the prizes, I'll have to look up what the prizes are again, and I'll share like a video about that. But mostly what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is just some commitments that I want you to make. So I listed them in the description, and if they don't show up, hopefully it will show up. But the first thing I want you guys to commit to do is share your goals, and make them big. Make them like 10 times bigger than you think that you need to make them. Joshua, stay here, please. So make them really big and make them broad. So like, for example, I'm gonna set the goal to hit Success Club 10. I wanna sign up 5 new coaches and trying to think, 5 new coaches, and I'm gonna try and talk to, like, to make that happen, I'm gonna try and talk to at least 20 people every day. That's just an idea. I use the Teamzy app to keep track of everything, but just make sure you're keeping track of your goals, and let's try and break it down into a weekly thing. The second thing I want you guys to commit to do is to be a product of the product. So in Beachbody, they have 4 vital behaviors, and they are to be a product of the product. So sorry, I guess you're committing to the 4 vital behaviors. Be a product of the product. That means you're doing your workout, you're doing your Shakeology, and then to do personal development. This one is huge. I can't even describe how big personal development is and how much it influences me in my coaching journey. Yep. And the third one is to invite. I will talk about that a little bit more. And the fourth one is to recognize achievements, recognize challengers, recognize coaches on your team if you have coaches. Just recognize things, because people like to be recognized. So your second part of your homework, you have to share your goals. Second part of your homework is to share what personal development you're going to listen to or that you're going to read. If you don't have a whole lot of time, I promise you have time somewhere. So listen in the shower, listen while you're doing the dishes, listen while you are driving to work, if you drive, if you have a long commute, or even if you only have 10-20 minutes that you're driving in the car, listen to something. I listed in the description a few ideas, just to kind of give you an idea of like how personal development can help you. When I do personal development in the morning, and this is beyond just reading scriptures or listening to a talk, when I just listen to something inspirational for at least 10 minutes in the morning, or read something, like read 10 pages out of an inspirational book, I gain insights, and I have things to share with people that actually matter. Because let's face it, we don't come up with everything on our own. We need a little help. So personal development is the way that you can help others and be an inspiration to them. Finally, the third thing, I think I had 3 things. The third thing that I want you to do is I want you to commit to post 4 times a day. Only 4. You don't have to do more than 4, but I want you to at least do 4. One of those posts needs to be a motivational quote. One of the posts needs to be related to coaching. It could be a sweaty selfie, it could be a Shakeology, it could be a recipe, something related to your lifestyle as a coach. And then the other 2, just share your life. Because if you're not sharing your life and you're not sharing what is important to you, this could be your family, it could be, maybe your hairdo for the day, it could be your outfit. Just share the things that are most valuable to you. If you're not sharing those things, then people aren't going to see you as a person. They're going to see you more salesy. They're going to see you as someone who just is hard to follow because they don't feel like a real person. So when you're sharing things that are important to you, you're going to find the people who also find those things important. Okay, so sharing 4 times a day, and I just described this in the description above, but the other thing that I want you to do each week is I want you to commit to Tuesday and Thursday sharing a transformation post. So this transformation post needs to be like a before and an after, a side by side, and it can be a week's progress, it could be a month's progress, it could be from the beginning of your journey to right now. Change it up. It can be whatever you want it to be, but you need to share, and I want you to try and commit to share to sharing that transformation post, and share it on Instagram, because if you don't have Instagram, I promise you want Instagram. So, okay, you're committing to sharing that on Tuesday and Thursday. And then the other thing is on Sunday night, just once on Sunday night, each week, I want you to share a coaching opportunity post. I'll give you some examples of this, and we'll talk about how to create those posts in this group. But I just want you guys to commit to doing that. Okay, so comment below and share what your goals are. Share what personal development you're going to listen to. And then share, my brain is spacing. Share what... that you're committing to doing those 3 posts each week, and that you're committed to posting 4 times a day, starting now. Okay, welcome to our group. Let's rock it.